Hey guys, today I want to show you how to make a cartoonist watermelon. I'm using line art here, and the first thing I do is I make a shape, a circle shape, and then for the rest I use pencil and brush it to coloring the watermelon. I use green. I choose this kind of art style because I like this kind of art style, like cartoonist or illustration, yeah, like that. And I think it's easier to draw, and it's more simple. Also, the outline will look more neat because I'm not a person who can draw neatly. So I prefer this art style. In here I'm making the watermelon seeds, and I'm using ellipse tool to make the seeds. After I make the seeds, I also coloring the watermelon with red color and erase the outline that isn't necessary. And then I make the dark green lines that are on a watermelon skin using pen tool. After that, I fill the lines with dark green color. And you can see I start to coloring the lines with brush because the lines that I made is not neat, so I have to color it with brush, and it takes a little bit long time to do. But if your lines already neat, you don't have to fill the color with brush like I do, so you just can fill the color easily. Also, I add splatter brush to make the watermelon texture. After you've done, choose the background color that you like, and in here I use pastel colors, and I also add some text. Add some shadows and highlights to make your draw better. And this is the final look, watermelon. with like a more cartoony style. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.